How was it so grandiose to us in retrospect? There were monsters in your freezer, screaming out, making noises. There were monsters in your freezer, screaming out nonsense and noises. What do you do about it? Call the maintenance man, maybe some spiritualists. Talk to the spirit in your freezer. Why are the spirits in your freezer? Who died in your freezer? That's the next question. I don't judge, man, just tell me the truth. I wanna know, are you a serial killer? Why is there a monster in your freezer? Oh. I never judge a man by his actions, but by the reason for his actions. Because I'm the judge, I'm the jury, I'm the prosecuting attorney, and I'm the defendant. God left me with this inability called social anxiety, and I will to succeed in a social economy. Social cyst. There's a cyst in your social capacity, 'cause you're a social cyst, like cancer, carcinogenics. You are a social cyst. Your face representative of the average American. Your ignorance reflects on us too. Your ignorance makes us look bad. Your ignorance is so askew, and your fucking perception is distorted. You're not cool, you're not hip, you're not smart, you're not intelligent. You are not creative or talented. You are virtually nothing. You're virtually nothing. Space dust of worth. Space dust of value. Space dust of potential. Space dust of microbe.